Have you and your spouse lost the loving connection that you once shared? Are you living more like roommates than soulmates? You may feel as if there is no hope and there is nothing you can do to turn the situation around, but you can. In From Roommates to Soulmates in 30 Days or Less Guaranteed, best-selling author and world-renowned marriage coach, David Rispoli spells out the pathway to achieving the marriage of your dreams, providing hope and a solution for all couples that have lost connection once shared. Regardless of your starting point or where things are relationally today, this book contains principles that can help you pivot from roommates to soulmates in 30 days or less, guaranteed. These proven principles have helped couples in all stages of the relationship journey. Whether you are just starting the journey or have been married for years, whether you are wanting to save a broken marriage or turn a good marriage into a phenomenal marriage, this book will help you create a phenomenal marriage by design. Transform a good marriage into a great marriage. A blueprint to transform your relationship from roommates to soulmates by David Rispoli.